Another mid-ranger ang lumitaw dito sa ating table. And it came from ONEPLUS. And this is the ONEPLUS NORD CE2 LITE 5G. 5G na siya guys, and I know the internet, pag meron kayong 5G, is definitely faster than LTE. So you want to know how fast this is? Tara, pag-usapan muna natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So before anything else, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang quick unboxing nitong phone na ito. So ayan guys, nakita na natin ang unboxing ng ONEPLUS NORD CE2 LITE 5G. And hawak natin here is the color blue. Ang ganda ng kanyang color, no? Kita natin, it's a little bit more a lighter blue on top, downward, parang gradient siya. And what I like about this one is matte finish siya, meaning hindi siya fingerprint magnet. And what I have here is the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Right now, it's being priced at 12,990 pesos. And I'll be posting on the link below. And guys, may surprise pa sila. Ang sale price nitong phone na ito. It's being priced right now for early birds, 11,990. Grabe guys, sobrang mura. If you have the chance to buy this one, I suggest na i-add to cart nyo na habang naka-sale pa. And kung nagustuhan nyo itong phone na ito, after this full review, i-buy nyo na. And itong phone na ito is being equipped with the latest na Snapdragon 695. It's a 5G chip, 6nm, and octa-core na rin siya. Powered by the Adreno 619 na GPU. I think this one can game. And of course, malalaman natin a little bit later. And before that, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang score niya sa ANTUTU benchmark. And this is the score na makukuha mo. Near 400,000 points. For me, at that price point, halos 400 score mo sa ANTUTU benchmark, it's something. It means na this phone can definitely perform given na ganito ang benchmark mo. And of course, ang breaking down the score, ganito ang makikita mo. Now, since sinabi ko ang phone na ito has a nice GPU, it was able to score a decent point here sa OneDrive. Pagdating naman kay Geekbench, okay din ang kanyang score. Swiping left and right, it's very smooth dahil meron siya 120Hz of screen refresh rate, 6.59 inch, well, actually 6.6 to be exact, ang kanyang screen size, and it's a LCD display, IPS LCD. But of course, don't you worry dahil ang ganda ng kanyang resolution given na IPS LCD siya. Pero ang kanyang IPS LCD panel is, I think, yung mga high grade, hindi yung mga medyo low end, and the colors are punchy. Halos it can rival the AMOLED display. Hindi nagkakalayo ang kanyang mga color resolution. And this phone also has a touch stamping rate of 240Hz. Meaning, pagdating sa gaming, wala ka problema, hindi yan maglalag and hindi mabibiting ang iyong mga pagpipindot dito sa phone na ito. Now, after trying this for roughly 2 weeks dito sa aking channel, and I know that very nice ang kanyang feel. I love the feel. Ang gaan niya, no? And this phone is only weighing at around 195 grams. Hindi pa nga siya umabot ng 200 grams. I feel na magaan siya. And I love the way it is. Ang kanyang feel sa likod, smooth na smooth sa aking kamay. I love yung form factor niya, no? Very simple lang, and I love yung camera bump niya dahil manipis siya, hindi makapal. Lalo na kanyang camera module is hindi na siya protruded out of this one. Itong phone na ito was able to achieve a level 1 na wideband security level, and it means na when you're watching mga HD dito sa Netflix and other online streaming apps, you will be watching it in full HD. And watching some of my favorite shows dito sa Netflix and of course sa YouTube, I was able to enjoy dahil maganda naman kanyang panel. I did not say na when it's not AMOLED, pangit na siya. Itong panel niya, I think it's good. was able to say na punchy naman ang kanyang colors, even close to the AMOLED display. Now, probably one of the things na hindi ko masyado gusto dito is medyo malaki ang kanyang punch hole dito and ang kanyang chin is a little bit thick. And this phone also has a 84% screen-to-body ratio. Now, itong phone na ito, meron siyang 5,000 mAh of lithium polymer na battery and it can support up to 33 watts of fast charging. Tinatapos itong charging na itong phone na ito, for me, in just 1 hour and 30 minutes. Medyo mabilis naman siya dahil super VOOC charge na siya. And of course, was able to last me a full day on normal usage. And I can say na at the end of the day, on my normal daily average usage, nakapagtira pa siya ng around mga 40% of battery, meaning this one is very efficient ang kanyang battery dito sa phone na ito. Now, one of the things na gustong-gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is browsing the social media, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, and siguro sa Twitter. Ang pag-scroll mo dito sa phone na ito is very smooth. 120Hz of screen refresh rate is definitely very smooth. And I can say na wala naman siyang sabit, no? And of course, yung mga video loading is depending on how fast yung internet mo. Napag-usapan naman natin a little bit about itong camera module niya. It has a 64MP na main camera lens, 2MP na macro lens, and 2MP na depth sensor. And sa harap, meron siyang 16MP na Sony IMX471 na sensor, which means it should be able to take in some really decent shot when taking some selfies. And after taking this phone for a ride, I was able to take in some really nice shot outdoors. Very punchy ang kanyang colors. I was surprised na dahil yung kanyang Snapdragon 695 was able to enhance yung mga photos niya, giving the photos a little bit more clearer, and probably yung optimization niya dito sa phone na ito, yung camera optimization is probably good. And kanyang AI engine is kicking in, giving me very nice and very punchy colors, lalo sa outdoors. Now, sa indoors naman, it was equally good. I was really surprised din sa kanya na this phone was able to perform even sa low light. And taking in some of the shots na may halogen bulb, ang ganda. Magandang kanyang resolution. And zooming in, taking a 64MP na shot, it was really clear. Tinan mo, hindi siya napipixelate. Really nice. Now, trying some selfie shots, I can see na talagang maganda siya. Dahil siguro Sony IMX siya, and I know na mga Sony sensor is definitely producing some really nice and very decent shot dito sa phone na ito. And I did also try to use it sa mga Zoom meetings, and it was really nice. Sabi ng kausap ko sa kabila, ang ganda ng resolution ng aking camera pagdating sa Zoom meeting. Probably mag-stand out ka nga talaga when you use this phone. Now, like I told you, itong phone na ito, meron siyang 240Hz of touch sampling rate. I want to try it on dito sa phone na ito for gaming. And trying it on Call of Duty Mobile, ito ang max setting na nakuha natin. And during the gameplay, I can say na okay siya. Smooth naman siya. Then, what I like about this one is hindi mainit ang likod ng case, no? So, after playing for 1.5 hours and winning a lot of games, masasabi ko sila ang kanyang init is nadidissipate na maayos. Roughly nasa 42 degrees Celsius ang kanyang pinakamainit on max setting dito sa kanyang graphic settings dito sa game na ito. And the gameplay, for me, it's smooth. The only thing na hindi ko masyado nagustuhan dito is probably yung punch hole na, which is taking a little bit more space dun sa aking viewing angle. And overall, I can say ang kanyang touch is really responsive. Wala naman nafe-feel na naiiwan ang aking touch, no? Though there are still some time na meron konting frame drops. Maybe dahil hindi siya makapag-perform up to siyempre mga Snapdragon 888. Iba naman ng ibang liga naman yon. And this phone, I can say, okay siya. Okay to for gaming on this budget level. And definitely, if you can get this for $11,990, I can say it's really a steal. Now, after using this phone for 2 weeks, ano masasabi ko? 1, ang ganda kanyang form factor. 2, magandang kanyang camera bump. Hindi siya makapal. Dahil pag nilagyan mo sa table, hindi siya masyado nagwo-wobble. Kunting-kunti lang, oh. Siguro pag nilagyan mo ng case, mawawala ng tuluyan ang kanyang wobble. And of course, ang kanyang camera is probably one of the better ones from ONEPLUS dahil siguro sa Sony IMX ang kanyang sensor, giving you better shots sa front camera. And of course, ang kanyang display, it has a 120Hz of screen refresh rate, meaning grabe, smooth na smooth ang yung browsing experience dito sa social media and sa gaming. Now guys, if you want to ask me if marirecommend ko tong phone na ito, If you can get it at 11,990 sa kanyang early bird price, it's really a steal. Yes na yes yan. But if you're considering it for 19,990, well, okay pa rin naman siya. But I would suggest na antay kayo ng mga sale para makatipid kayo dito sa phone na ito. So OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. And guys, if you like this video and you feel nyo na gusto nyo pa matuto more about other smartphones from Gadget Sidekick, check nyo lang ang aking playlist. And if you like this video, don't forget na i-like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi mo miss ang mga future videos and future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watch out!